Assalamualaikum. Hello guys. So I am Muhammad Ihsan bin Zakaria from TESL 2 PPISMP 2024 to 2029. So today I will be presenting about three different things, which are the aspiration, the direction and implication of education in Pelan Pembangunan Pendidikan Malaysia 2013 until 2035 this year, right? So I will be presenting this in order. So the first one is the aspiration. So I will be giving you the graphic or the slides of the aspiration. So please be there. Let's go. Okay, so I will start with the aspiration, like I said, in order. So aspiration has 5 qualities. So the first one is access. Let's go look at the access. So access is the Pelan Pembangunan Pendidikan Malaysia aims to ensure universal access to quality education for all Malaysian children, regardless of socio-economic background, location or other barriers. This to include achieving 100% enrollment at all levels of education from preschool to upper secondary by 2025. They want to provide equal opportunities for students to receive high quality education that meets international standards. This will close gaps in access between urban areas and rural areas, and among different socioeconomic groups. This is very good because we can see that the people in Malaysia, all the students can have good quality education regardless of their social background, whether they are from rural areas or from urban areas. So let's go look at the second quality. Second quality is excellence. Excellence is to achieve excellence by transforming the Malaysian education system into one that is globally competitive, ensuring students are equipped with the knowledge, skills and values necessary to thrive in the 21st century. Global competitiveness, moving Malaysia's education system from the bottom third to the top third in international assessment like PISA and TIMSS. Holistic students development, to produce students with strong academic performance alongside critical thinking, leadership, ethics and national identity. The last one is sustainable transformation. They want to build an education system that supports continuous improvement and innovation to meet global standards. We can see here, our government, Malaysia, they try to give a good education to all Malaysian students. They want the students to be strong in academic and everything. Okay, so the third quality is equity. So what is equity? Let's understand it more. The Pelan Pembangunan Malaysia aims to achieve equity by ensuring that every student, regardless of their background, has equal access to quality education. So the first one, they want to reducing achievement gaps. They want to halving the achievement gaps between urban and rural schools, high and low performing students and different socio-economic groups by 2025. We can understand from this that any students from rural areas, from village or from urban areas, from cities, they can have the same achievement. They can have equal achievement, which is the excellent achievement. They can ensure that they can perform excellence. The second one is universal access. They want to ensure universal enrollment from preschool to upper secondary education, providing equal opportunities for all students. This is very good, trust me. The third one is inclusive education, creating an education system that supports students with diverse needs and background. Our government, they try to make sure that every student with any kinds of needs, any kinds of background, have the supports they need to have. So let's go to the other question. Hi, so here we are. to the fourth quality. The fourth quality is unity. The Pelan Pembangunan Pendidikan Malaysia emphasizes unity as one of its 5 system aspirations, aiming to foster a strong sense of national identity and social cohesion among students. They want the students in Malaysia to know their identity and have a strong sense of national identity. Let's go to the key aspects here. The first key aspect is national identity, instilling pride in being Malaysian by promoting shared values, traditions, and history. The second one is social cohesion, encouraging students from diverse ethnic, cultural backgrounds to interact, collaborate, and build mutual understanding. The third one is inclusive education. They want to ensure all students, regardless of background, feel included and valued within the education system. We know Malaysia has many types of races, many types of people from different backgrounds. So, by doing this, we can have a proper and better education compete to the other countries. The last one is efficiency. The Pelan Pembangunan Pendidikan Malaysia aims to achieve efficiency by maximizing the use of resources and improving the effectiveness of the education system. The first key aspect is resource optimization, ensuring that resources are allocated effectively to achieve desired educational outcomes. Second one is streamline process, simplifying administrative processes to reduce bureaucracy and enhance responsiveness. The last one is technology integration, leveraging technology to enhance teaching, learning, and administrative efficiency. So that's for the first key. That's for the first type of what we are doing to present aspiration. Now let's go to the direction. Okay, so finally we have already finished the first one, which are the aspiration. I have already given to you everything about aspiration, all the 5 criteria there. I hope all of you that watch this video can understand and remember it. So like I said, there are 3 types: aspiration, directions, and finally implications. So have already finished the aspiration. So what else? Let's go to the direction, right? It's not destination, it is direction. So there are initiatives that Pelan Pembangunan Pendidikan Malaysia have already done it. So I want to give you the initiatives so we can understand the direction. We must understand the direction because we must know what is Pelan Pembangunan Pendidikan Malaysia wants to do with the new education system. So let's go. Let's go learn about the initiatives. So the initiatives to ensure the aspirations outlined in Pelan Pembangunan Pendidikan Malaysia, Malaysian Education Blueprint, are achieved. There are 11 initiatives have been set for the national education system. Remember it, there are 11 initiatives that have been set for the national education system. Each initiative aims to provide the necessary changes for achieving 5 outcomes of access, quality, equity, unity, and efficiency that we have already learned for the aspiration. Those are 5 outcomes that we must fight together. So the first initiative is providing equal access to quality education. The second initiative is ensuring every student is proficient in Bahasa Melayu and English, as well as encouraging the learning of additional language. Maybe you can learn Arabic language, Chinese language, Mandarin, Cantonese. You can talk to Kharjit. You can learn Tamil language, and everything. Many languages that you can learn. Maybe German, Japanese, and everything. The third initiative is transforming the teaching profession into a career of choice. This to ensure that everyone can see that teaching is a good career that we must pursue it. The fourth initiative is ensuring high performing school leadership is placed in every school. That means every school has a good leader. The the fifth initiative is empowering state education departments, JPN, Jabatan Pendidikan Negeri, district education officers, PPD, pejabat pendidikan daerah, and schools to provide customized solutions based on specific needs. This thing is to ensure that JPN and PPD and schools can provide customized solutions based on specific needs. So what's the students needs in each school, the JPN, PPD and the schools can give what they need. The sixth initiative is utilizing ICT, information and communication technology. This to improve the teaching quality. You must use the ICT, the technology, to improve the teaching quality in information and communication technology. The seventh initiative is redesigning the education delivery structure of the Ministry of Education of Malaysia. They want to redesign the education delivery structure of the Ministry of Education Malaysia. The eighth one is enhancing collaboration with parents, communities, and the private sector on a broader scale. So, what they are trying to tell you here is the education system, the schools, the JPN, the PPD, they can collab with the parents, with the communities, with the private sector to ensure that we get what we need, we get what we want, we get what we could try to achieve. The ninth initiative is maximizing students' potential. This is, of course, everyone wants it. The students can achieve the highest potential they can achieve. The last one, the 10th initiative, is improving transparency for greater public accountability. They want to improve the transparency for greater public accountability, so the students can be accountable to what they need to be accountable. So that's all for the second part, which is the direction. It's not destination, remember. So what else? The third part, right? Which is the implication. We are trying to focus on the implication on teachers. So let's go to the implication of teachers. You must follow me, yeah. We are going to change place. So hello guys, as you can see, we are in different place right now because we are going to end this session. I am going to tell you the implication of the PPPM, and the implication right now. I am going to focus to the teachers. There are three things I want to talk about. The first is adaptation to the blueprint goals. The second one is being a role model, and the third one is mastering technology. That's all. Okay, so hi guys. Yeah, so finally we just written here because I guess to explain everything here is more suitable and proper. So let's go. We need to understand more about the implication for teachers. So like I said, there are three types. So I will be explaining the first type first. The first one is the teachers must adapt to blueprint goals. So I will be explaining a little bit clearly here. So the teachers must understand and implement the reforms made by the government like we can study from the blueprint goals, like what the government have already given to the teachers and to this education system. The teachers must clearly understand the goals and strategies outlined in the PPPM to effectively implement reforms in assessment, quality, equity, unity, and efficiency, that we have already discussed before. This includes aligning the teaching practice with the blueprint's objective. So, what we can understand here, the teachers must be teaching the students using the blueprint goals made by the Pelan Pembangunan Pendidikan Malaysia. So, we know that everything that they teach must be aligned to what have already outlined by the Pelan Pembangunan Pendidikan Malaysia to ensure that we get what we targeted before. We must get our objective. So I will continue to the second things, the second implication to the teacher. The second one is mastering technology. So by using this what have already given, the teachers must be affected by this. So the teachers will be mastered in technology. They will be technology master. So the teachers need to use technology in their subjects, teaching and learning, to spark learning experiences, creativity, and visual based exposure. Teachers must know how to use ICT in the context and content of teaching and learning. Teachers should also include the attitudes of using information and communication technology wisely. So, the ICT system and digital devices enable students to communicate in digital era, thus burdening the issues of evolving digital culture. We can understand here that we are already in 2025, so we have a diverse technology that is very advanced today. So we must understand that teachers must master the technology, must know how to apply all the technologies they have and use it in their classroom. So the students also can become they're also able to use the technology for them to communicate, for them to learn and everything. In addition, ICT also improves student knowledge, skills and communication, as well as digital work styles, including digital skills in achieving success and innovation globally. Teachers must demonstrate good and ethical conduct in their professional practice. So lastly, I want to give the final implication, which is the teachers must be a role model to the students, of course, obviously. So teachers need to be role model among students, as emphasized in the third transformation shift of Pelan Pembangunan Pendidikan Malaysia, which aims to cultivate values. This shift is crucial in shaping students holistically. So, by obeying this, the students can understand the subject holistically in everything. Today's generation will inherit a world filled with various major challenges, from environmental destruction to development conflicts. Emphasizing value appreciation and national unity should be a priority in building future generations who will inherit the world responsibly. With globalization's impact reaching even the natural environment, spiritual values remain one of the main pillars in education. Meanwhile, society continues to be driven by the pursuit of material progress. So that's all from me. I hope you understand what I'm presenting, from the first topic that I have already given until what I have already given here, the final topic. So adapt what I have already given to you, and please use it wisely. That's all from me. Thank you. Bye for now.